We involve our associates on the floor that actually do the job with process improvement and safety and everything. Who better to tell us how to do that job better than the people that do it? And we train them to identify the lean waste, to look for safety hazards.
I believe Butler has always been open to ideas. Going through the lean process, it seems like things are looked at a little more closely, rather than just coming up with an idea and just saying it and hoping something happens.
When an employee comes to me and gives me a new idea, we let them be part of the process, own it. And in that way, we let them help us come up with a plan on how to implement it. We hit it right away. You know, we get together with the management team.
We just did our physical inventory count of the entire warehouse. After we were finished with that, you know, we kind of looked back and, you know, see where our biggest issues were. And from that, you know, we came up with some ideas. My goal is to put those ideas into place. Here's a good example. We have P326I for ivory and P326T. So you're going to have an ivory right next to a light almond. Obviously you can see parts are almost identical. Even the color is very similar. So those are going to be the parts that we commonly have errors on. If we were to put, say, all the eyes over here and the light almonds over here, now we're only going to have one P326 on this shelf and one P326 on this shelf. And that's an idea that we were having. When you're in that, you know, the mentality of, you know, getting rid of the waste and everything, you know, some of those ideas do just come out naturally. But some of the times, you know, it doesn't always come out that way. So what we do is we have a thing that we do is called a Kaizen event.
A Kaizen event is basically a lean tool that you basically gather a cross-functional team and you get them together and you specifically focus on a process where you believe there's inefficiencies. Obviously you don't know the answer to the question ahead of time, but you work as a team. The changes are immediate, they're drastic, and because you've involved the people that actually do the work, you are getting real buy-in and feedback to the way it should be. It's kind of like looking at how I want to do something, not how I used to do something.
And then our job simply is to track to make sure, you know, what it is we're trying to do. Say, cut down on back orders or errors or get the material to the branches as quickly as possible. And, you know, obviously if it works, great, you know, for everyone. And if not, we can always try again.
They truly own the process at that point, and once you give them a voice and you trust them and they trust you that you're going to take them serious, it takes off very quickly.